Logan, growing up, I always pictured what my future would look like, and my life with you has exceeded all of my expectations. You're such a good man. You're kind to everyone you meet, see the best in others, and make me feel safe and loved every day. Over the past 5 years, we've grown so much, as a couple and individually, and I truly couldn't be more excited for what our future holds. While our future plans are exciting and we want to do so many things, it really is the simple things that matter, our family and our love. I believe if we continue to focus on those things, our life will be beautiful and fulfilling no matter what. I can't wait to start this next chapter of our life together with you. I truly am the luckiest girl in the world. Love you always, Callie Keys, Kennedy.
Callie, from the day I met you in college, you have always been in my mind. When I would wonder who I might marry one day, your name always appeared. A few years apart from one another, and I never forgot you or your goofy personality. I never dreamed I'd be walking down the aisle with that pretty Paris girl from chemistry class, but here we are. We took the scenic route to get here, but it has been a ride of a lifetime, and I am happy we've reached this destination together. We have a long road ahead of us, and I love that you'll be in the passenger seat for that ride. Probably passed out with cookie crumbs on you, but that's okay. I'm excited for where we've been and where we're going. Thank you for the love you showed me the last few years, and I look forward to what this trip has in store for us. Love you forever.
The first time I met her, I had a pretty good feeling that they were going to work out, because me and Logan had a really stupid joke in college where if he saw an attractive woman, he'd look at me and just go, meow. That's what he would do. And so I met Callie at the Ameristar Casino, and she comes walking down the aisle, and she's wearing a leopard printed shirt, and I was like, this is pretty much destiny right here. I mean, this is working out really well for them. God bless Callie for putting up with us. Me and Logan are just two morons, to be honest with you. We can take a 5-second joke and turn it into a 30-minute story.
I gotta be honest, I didn't think we'd get here. Logan's biggest commitment up until now has been with a mower. Callie and Logan are very compatible. And what I mean by that is Callie tells Logan what to do, and he does it. He has got 80% of marriage figured out. I want to wish you both the best of luck. I look forward to what comes from your relationship and as you grow your family. But everyone, please raise their glasses for Mr. and Mrs. Logan and Callie Keys.
I've been really honored to get to call Katie and Callie my best friend throughout my entire life. And it's been a unique thing to be best friends, not just with Callie, but also with her twin sister, Katie. Unique in the best way possible. I love you both. It's been said that true friendship isn't about being inseparable, but instead about being separated and maintaining that friendship. And I found that to be true. Now in our 30s, we each have our individual lives and careers, and despite being long distance, we maintain our close friendship. For every big event in my life, it's still the both of you I'm eager to share it with first. So after meeting at SIUE, many years went by, but this chance meeting later led to someone sliding into somebody's DMs and an infamous first date at Sushi Umi. I remember talking to a smitten Callie just after that date, and we saw sparks fly. I knew Logan was a keeper early on, especially after Callie invited him out. Literally the next day, guys, they met. Logan comes to Lot 50 to meet me, and I think Katie, the very next day. But Callie isn't just a goody two-shoes. She's also incredibly selfless. I remember our senior year at Paris High School during Mayfete. It's a huge honor to be selected for any court, and of course, Callie was on every single one our senior year, including the coveted Mayfete court. When she was crowned queen, I was thrilled, but not surprised. What touched me the most was that Callie felt terrible about having to dance with our dad first, worrying that I would feel left out. She was the queen of the night, yet all she cared about was making sure that we were together. That's who Callie is, selfless, caring, and loyal. Here's to a lifetime of love, laughter, and endless dad jokes. May your days be filled with joy, your nights with peace, and your hearts with the kind of love that only grows stronger with time.